Our engineers start off the development by discussing the details of the part to be developed. Afterwards, the part is being modeled in our CAD software. The part then is prepared for 3D printing. Our in-house laser sintering 3D printer then is prepared, enabling quick and precise iterations. After printing, the part is cleaned up to remove excess powder. Integration testing is performed to verify the design. Mechanical simulations are used to optimize the part. The verified design is then prepared to be CNC milled in our in-house manufacturing center. Using high-speed cutting with ethanol cooling, we are able to produce precise parts even suitable for medical devices. The parts are quality checked and critical dimensions are measured. Additional testing is carried out to ensure reliable and safe operation. Finished products are then assembled in prototype assembly lines. These lines also feature in-house developed assembly aids and testing equipment for optimal preparation for serial production. Get in touch with our experts today. IMT, making ideas work.